Hello everyone, this is Engineer Hussam, and today the task is drawing a triangle with sides given. Here in this question you don't know the type of triangle, so you cannot assume that this is right triangle or equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle or scalene triangle, so you need to figure out the angles by yourself. The way to do this is draw a line, okay, from this point until here. Okay, now we need to measure the lines, so we'll bring the compass, open it at the side C, this line C. Okay, so now bring the compass and make mark. So now we know that C, the length C is from here to here, so this is C. Okay, now again we need to measure the length B, so put the compass here in this side and put it here, the needle on one side and the pencil on other side, and then choose, you want to start from right or you want to start from left, it's up to you. Okay, so let's start from right and draw arc. This arc represents the length of line B. Okay, now bring the compass on the other side, okay, and measure the value of the length, the line A. So put it from one side to another side, okay, then put it at the end here, other end of the line, and draw arc. Your target is to have this intersection, so no point from continue drawing the arc here or arc down, because once you have this intersection, that means you are done. Okay, put the compass away. Now this intersection we need to connect. One to this side, and this could the line A, and we will connect it to the other side, and this is B. So yes, this A, this B, and this C. This task has been done. Thank you for watching.